guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, obviously you can tell, today we're playing Minecraft! Of course I can just... I'm sure everybody voted poop for your super poop, and you won! Just by this little I can't believe he literally won for that little tiny stupid. Glasses. I'm fine with anything. Oh, I forgot how I was recording. So, I'm very bad, so this is my well. Oh, should I add water? I still have time, right? Yeah, I still have a lot of time, so... I mean, it is an ocean that we are living. Watch this, my things is about to be super poop. Look how horrible. It is so bad. Comment in the comment down below if you think it's good. I think it's horrible. Don't try to leave the plot. That's probably how my sister got banned. She probably got so many warnings. Imagine I'm first. Oh. I thought I was actually first. I was like, dude, no! Okay, I guess it's legendary. Bro! I thought he was already the winner. I was like, that's not fair. This man. Oh, I got so scared. That is amazing. Mine is going to be so bad. At least I put water. Who's mine the next? I thought it was mine! But they completely copied. They didn't even use it. What? Bye-bye? Bye-bye? Oh, shit. I'm down. Shit. Okay. I'm done playing. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys don't have to, but I just prefer it. See you guys next time. Bye!